Selling big tickets offers but worried your payment processor will freeze your funds? You're not the only one. Many creators hit unexpected limits. Here's a quick way to check if your current processor could hold your high ticket sales. In PayPal or Stripe, look for account limits. Anything labeled maximum transaction size or single payment cap. This helps you understand whether your large sales might trigger freezes or holds. It is a simple step to get a sense of risk before you start processing big payments. Now, here's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They provide merchant accounts that let you process unlimited high ticket payments. You also get features like hosted checkout and chargeback mitigation, designed to keep large sales flowing without interruptions. The setup is straightforward and accounts are built to be stable from day one. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore it today. You can get started with a merchant account built for high ticket sales in minutes. Just fill out the simple sign up form and your business will be ready to accept large payments safely. The link's in the description to get started.